Meet the incredible pistol shrimp, a master of underwater surprises. This tiny creature snaps its claw at lightning speed, creating a phenomenon like no other. The snap generates a tiny underwater explosion, producing a shockwave. This shockwave can stun or even kill its unsuspecting prey instantly. The temperature of the bubble can reach nearly 4,700 degrees. That's almost as hot as the surface of the sun. This unique adaptation makes the pistol shrimp a formidable predator. Nature never ceases to amaze with its wonders. The pistol shrimp's claw is not just for show, it's a weapon. This tiny creature plays a big role in its ecosystem. Every snap is a reminder of nature's incredible power. The pistol shrimp, small but mighty,